Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I know it has been a long while. I think the last vlog I uploaded was the Bangalore trip, which was really chaotic, but I'm back with another vlog. Sorry, I know it's been a while. I know I disappeared a lot like this, but I will try to post more. I will. So we are starting out at Oro Baking Pizza. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, and they only serve pizzas and drinks. That's all you get on the menu. Different types of pizzas. We were here to celebrate Dada's birthday. It was a post birthday celebration and also like a family thing because Ryan was there that day. Usually he's never there, he's working all the time. This is basically how you're supposed to order. They give you this kind of like a card thing, and you're supposed to tick mark what you want. And this is the menu. This is we got veg pizzas and non-veg, and just a limited drink menu. The place, the ambience is really cozy, so definitely give it a shot. If you want to go with friends there also, it's really nice. It's a nice place to chill and hang out. This is the margarita. Before this we had a chicken pizza, which was, I believe, the barbecue pizza. I think, I'm not really sure. I will find out and put it on the screen. And then we had gotten a salami pizza. Can you guess where we are? Comment down below and tell me what you think we're doing. But by the looks of it, I think you all know we're getting a tattoo. This has been in the works for a while now. We've been wanting to get it for a while. We had done the consultation before. Now we decided to finally get it. It's a sibling tattoo. It basically means older sister below the girl and younger brother below the boy in Japanese. And this is us just trying to see the placement of it. We were both really struggling on finalizing the size of the tattoo. Here we got a 2.5 inches, and that's, I think, a 2 inch. And I didn't actually want such a big tattoo. I never thought I would actually get a tattoo this big. I always wanted smaller tattoos, but because this was a fine line, so it would smudge. That's why we had to get a tattoo this big. I wanted it to be 1 inch, but my tattoo artist suggested that I get it at 2 inches. So I think we got it at 2. Yeah, I think we got it at 2 inches. And here is the finished tattoo. It looks so cute. I'm so glad we decided to get it done. Guess who's back in town? And we are at Sake, and we've got sushi. It's my first time trying sushi, by the way. This drink is amazing. It's a gin drink. She's having whiskey. Who's back from Dubai. She's here just for a week. She's got some work, but yeah. Also, it was her birthday, so I got her a birthday gift. I wanted to. It was in March, but I hope you like it. Sake was amazing. I don't know why this is my first time trying it out, even though it's been open for a while now. It's also my first time trying sushi. So here we're trying the avocado and cream cheese sushi. It's Nadia's go-to place, so I told her, you know what, you order whatever you like, I'm gonna try it. And she did really good. I really liked everything I tried. First time trying sushi, I found it a little weird in the beginning, but as I kept biting on, it tasted really good. This is the shrimp sushi. I like this one too. But I prefer the cream cheese one since I just love cheese, so that is my go-to. This is a chicken dumpling. Sorry, this is also cream cheese dumpling. This was also really stuffy and nice. And then we tried the chicken. I think it was a chicken cheese dumpling. So yeah, I love cheese. That's why a lot of cheese.